Hello everyone, my name is Hendra Kurniawan with student ID 123490031. I am from the study program Instrumentation and Automation Engineering. Today I will present and explain the working principle of ladder PLC circuit is part of our pneumatic and hydraulic practicum. Then main explanation, this the ladder PLC program. So in the diagram, next the program mainly consists 0.00. Next on. Next now closed contacts 0.02. Next off. Next ke sistem output. W 0.00 sistem. As the program mainly consists of input timers and output, which are used to control the operation of the solenoid actuator system. B00 system. Yes. Next, this is the leader PLC program. So in the diagram, B0 system. Okay, 00 system. Next ke timer mundur T000 oh, satu timer mundur. Oke, next ke neo horizontal. Then next now PLC instruction. And TLM TIM 000 agar 50. Next timer on. Enter. Next ke sistem ke the next ke which are control the operation of the cylinder actuator. System button mundur. Next ke output. Duh. Output P 0.1 0.01 enter. Next ke then next ke new contact W 0.01 W 0.01. Next ke timer on. Next ke timer mundur atau busy di type. TIM 001 TIM next pagar 50. Timer mundur. Next ke sistem. B00. Next system, timer on. Next timer mundur. Kosong kosong. Oke, next ke solenoid. Oke. Yes, this is the leader PLC program. So in the diagram, the program mainly consists of input, timer, and output, which are parts to control the operation of a solenoid actuator. I will explain the program step by step, rank by wrong, rank null system initialization. In the first round, we have an off, have have an on off system control. The the input W0.0 x the system on. Next sinyal well W0.01 function as an off control. When the system is active, the internal coil W0.00 system will energize, allowing the next logic rung to work. The is important because it acts like a master switch for the whole PLC program. Rung 1 error. Yes, this in rung 1 timer countdown preparation. In this rung W0.00 system on, enable a countdown timer. The timer block here is labeled T001. with a preset value of 50 kali 100 ms 5 second with the system is on this timer start counting down. The coil W0.0 is energized when this timer runs. Yes, rang 2 push button for push but push button for cut down the second rung into the chest in it put Khaled back button mundur. Reverse push button represented by V0.02. When this push button is pressed together with the system on condition and the previous timer, another time T000 is activated. The timer is also a value of 5 second. The timer T00 acts as a delay for the next sequence. This rung show that the actuator will only operate if the operator presses the reverse push button and the system is active. Rung 3 solenoid actuator input. Actuator output in the final rung buat timers T000 timer on and T001 timer countdown must be active together. If the condition are met, the output Q100 is energized. This output corresponds to the solenoid actuator. The solenoid can because drive a pneumatic hydraulic actuator, for example, cylinder. This rung ensures that the solenoid only work after both timers have finished their operation, which means the system has both a time delay and countdown safety condition. Working principle overall. To summarize how this PLC program works, system on must be active first. A countdown timer is prepared when the system start. Uh, the operation procedure first button PB mundur actives the second timer. After both timers consider delay, the solenoid output will be energized. Next, after both timers complete their delay, the solenoid output will be energized. So this program is designed to control an actuator with time delay and safety condition, ensuring that The system runs in a controlled and safe manner. Consolation In consolation, this leader PLC program is a good example of how we can combine targets input, timer, and output to control pneumatic of hydraulic system. The as of timer ensure delays, sequencing, and safety interlocks, while the solenoid output acts as the final actuator driver. Uh, by understanding this circuit, we can apply the same principle in industrial automation, especially is process the require time sequences and safe actuator control. This is the explanation of the leader policy program. Thank you for your attention.